This is drafts. As you can see, I've typed a list and I've separated it out onto different lines. But when I hit preview, unfortunately, everything's on one line. This is because Markdown wants 2 spaces at the end of every line to confirm that you want a line break. Unfortunately, if you have autocorrect turned on your iOS device, when you press space twice, you get a full stop space. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to write a short piece of JavaScript code that can add 2 spaces to the end of every line here. So afterwards, once you've run it and you press preview, voila, you have a list. So the first thing you need to do is you need to press the plus and add a new action. I'm just going to call this one line breaks. Then in steps, you need to add a new step. We're going to scroll down and find script. As you can see, we've got the option to edit, import or export a script. I'm going to edit this one. The first thing we need to do is to get the text in the editor and save it somewhere. So I'm going to declare a variable called text, and I'm going to say that I want all of the text in the editor. So here I've declared my variable, I've called it text, and I've set it to the text in the editor. GetText is a function, which is why it has round brackets. Now, we want to split the text up so that we have every single line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my text is text.split. And in here, split being a function, I can add a parameter. So what I've added here is a \n. This is a line break. Because \n is a string, I've had to put it in quotation marks. Next thing we need to do is we need to put the text back together again. So I'm going to say my text is text.join this time. And then this time we're going to add 2 spaces, \n. Again, it's a string and join is a function. Now what we need to do is we need to set the editor to contain that text, because this text is only in our script at the moment. It doesn't go anywhere until we make it do something. So we're going to do editor.setText is text, our variable, and save. Now let's run our fantastic function, line breaks. Now, this time when we run preview, voila! We have different lines.